You have an old and tired conservatory, too cold in the winter and too hot in the summer. So you've heard that a brand new roof might be the answer to all of your problems. But this expert in glazing from the Vale of Glamorgan is warning customers to be very careful.
A lot of companies are going into this aftermarket of supplying solid roofs, so-called lightweight roofs, to sort of update old conservatories that are tired. A lot of people have the same issues with the old polycarbonate roofs where they're very noisy in the rain, and people want to make it feel more like a room. So I'm not a great fan of these roofs, mainly because I feel that although a lot of them say lightweight, there's a lot of weight to them when you're comparing what a polycarb roof would weigh. There's a lot of weight difference, probably 10, 20 times heavier. And we don't just change the roof. I don't see the point of changing the roof and leaving, again, old frames that have been around for 20 years. You're better off just taking them back down to the walls and starting from there.
If you're considering upgrading your conservatory, then please contact Vale Glazing for a free quote. And for special offers, mention BREESMEDIA.